I didn't choose to have depression. Depression feels as though an unbearable weight is sitting on my chest, refusing to let me do anything and taking over my mind altogether.
I'm a very bubbly person, but I've been diagnosed with depression for 3 years.
I think because they're ashamed of being depressed, because it's something that society doesn't really understand very well. So if they say that they're depressed, then they will have to deal with the social stigma that comes along with the label of being depressed.
There's always this saying that says the one who laughs the most is actually the one who hurts on the inside the most. So I think it's actually quite true for some people. Like, not everyone you see smiling is always happy. You do not know what are the problems they're going through in their life. You're only seeing their outer appearance. You don't know what's inside them.
The problem is that depression is very real. It's not just like happening to stars and stuff like that. So it's really very scary how you can't really see the signs of depression.
One night, my depression had taken a toll on me. I laid in bed thinking where I went wrong. I had scissors in my hands. I almost wanted to do it.
I feel that it's quite sad that they have to resort to using self-harm as a way to feel better about themselves. But in a way, I sort of can see where they're coming from, because they're too stressed to the point where they can't really think clearly, and they only think that hurting themselves is a way to feel anything.
I didn't choose to have depression.
Depression feels as though an unbearable weight is sitting on my chest,
Refusing to let me do anything and taking over my mind altogether.
I think it's difficult to see people with depression, like despite they are smiling or being cheerful, people still have depression, which is, you can't just diagnose it from your physical appearance or just blood tests or whatever. You really have to get to know the person, what they're going through. And even if you're close to them, you don't know if they're really going through something really drastic in their lives.
My grandfather has depression, so like from the behavior that I see of him is like, it's very fast for him to switch to think negatively. Even things that don't even meant to be negative, sometimes they can like immediately think like bad way, but it's not their fault. You see, it's just how they in their brain, it just keep like reminding them and like haunting them like all these negative words, thoughts, feelings and stuff like that.
Depression is something that should be taken seriously, and if someone is going through depression, I would say they should really come out and ask for help. Don't keep it to themselves. Like, anyone around you can help you out, so especially your family members.